Working under the sun can cause damages to your skin, and in today's video, this video is actually dedicated to those people that work under the sun. If you're working under the sun, if you're working in the sun, like let's say for example market women, or if you have a shop, or you just you're working in the field, just for people that are working in the sun. And we all know that the sun can be very harsh to the skin, causing damages to the skin. So right now I'm going to be telling you guys how you can achieve a healthy glowing skin even while working in the harsh weather. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Welcome back, guys. So we all know that working on the sun or in the sun is very harsh for our skin, and there are a lot of people that actually do their work or have their daily life always in the sun. For some of us, we just go out, come in, or go to work, come in, we're in the sun not too long. But for some people, every day they're always in the sun, and this can cause really harsh damage to the skin. Most times if you go to the market, you will notice that some market women already have damages on their skin, such as sunburn. You will see their knuckles are really dark and their face like sunburn and all that. And it's not only for market women, there are some or other people that work in the sun as well. So if you're one of them, I'm going to tell you simple ways you can maintain or achieve a glow. If this is a concern to you, it's nothing to be ashamed of. Everybody's hustling, you understand. So yeah, everybody still wants to look good regardless of where you're working in. So yeah, these are simple tips that you need to take to achieve the skin. First thing I'm going to tell you is always use a very mild wash. If you're using a bath soap, if you're using a facial wash or a body wash, always make sure you get something that is very mild. My advice for you would go for something really like Olay, Dove, those kind of mild soap and all that. I did a video which I'll be linking below for you guys, a facial soap that is very good. It is very mild as well, so if you can, and it's very affordable, so you can get a body wash or a body soap that is mild, and also going with this mild facial soap as well. It is what I'm using right now, so I will link it below for you guys to see. So look for something that is very mild, okay, because you're already in the harsh weather. You don't need something harsher. The mistake most people make is that when they want to go out, they just still use their whitening, their lightening, and you're going in the sun. So it's going to cause even way more damage to your skin than you can imagine. So having a very mild product is something you should invest in. It's not like you should really invest in because it's not all that expensive. They are very affordable mild products in the market. Also use a moisturizer. Use a moisturizer, especially during the day. Use a moisturizer, simple easy moisturizer, like we'll talk of Vaseline, Nivea, of this range. So you need moisturizer during the day. Mistake a lot of people also make is using this using whitening or product that contains lightening ingredients in their skin during the day. So if you're using it on your skin during the day and you're going out in the sun, it's going to cause extra damage to your skin. That's why you see most people do tend to have burns, like severe sunburn, because one, it's not protected. So it's not even advisable to use your lightening or whitening product during the day. Another thing too I will talk about is don't use hot water on your skin. Hot water tends to suck out the oil from the skin, making the skin feeling dried, itchy and itchy. So you don't want to use hot water for your skin. Always go in with lukewarm water or cold water, okay, to just use. And like I said, use a very mild wash. You just need things that are mild. Also tend to cover up the areas that are exposed to the sun. I know it's not going to be easy because of the heat and all that, but just try cover up a little bit of part that you don't want, you know, to be exposed to the sun. If it's your feet, wear socks or wear sneakers. Or then for your face, if it's a place where you can wear hats, you know, there are some people that wear the hat and use this thing to just like cover these areas of their face. If it's something you can do as well, you can do it. If it's just to wrap, you know, for a period of time, yeah, you can do it, because a little goes a long way. It's better than being fully exposed to the UV rays and the harsh weather. Okay, so another thing you need, which is very important, is that you need to be hydrated. Always try and be hydrated. Water should be your best friend. Water is very good for the skin, for the overall health, because one, it helps to, you know, moisturize the skin, or like I say, it helps to nourish the skin inside, and it helps to flush out to your system as well. So you need water a whole lot, because if you're dehydrated, it shows in your skin. Whatever is going on in your body tends to show up in your skin. Okay, so you just need to keep on hydrating yourself. Another thing too, which is very important that you need to do, is sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, especially when you're walking outdoors. Even for people inside the house, like during the day, most times when I see the weather is, you know, really bright, I go in with my sunscreen. If the weather is dull and I feel rain wants to fall, sometimes I'm just like, you understand. But when the weather is kind of hot, I go in with my sunscreen, because the UV rays tend to pass through the windows, the, you know, everything inside the house, and then it can affect your skin, giving you burns. A lot of people sit in their house and say, oh, why am I having sunburn and this and this? Because maybe during the day your house is exposed, and then the UV ray or the light is coming in, and it's actually affecting the skin. Now to talk of people that are walking in the sun, so always use your sunscreen. And if you're out, sunscreen is very essential, because it's going to protect your skin. So look for waterproof kind of sunscreen, the one that is waterproof. And also when you're walking outdoors, the best way to use your sunscreen is using it every 2 hours. I know sunscreen is not cheap, it's really expensive, but that is the best way. And then when you sweat very well, if you sweat a lot, like you wash your face and reapply your sunscreen. That way it's going to protect your skin from the sun. I know every 2 hours could sound like dramatic, but I did not make the rules. And yeah, but yeah, it's something that actually works. So every 2 hours, reapply your sunscreen, okay. Another thing for me is, if you're walking in the sun, makeup is something I would not really advise. One, because of the fact that you have to be reapplying your sunscreen like every 2 hours. Number two, makeup under the sun for too long. If you notice you use makeup under the sun for too long, you will notice a little bit of sunburn on your skin. So there are some makeup that contains SPF. If you're lucky to know the one to get and the one that contains SPF, then yeah, you're good to go. Another thing too is the fact that you need SPF that contains SPF 30 and above. So that's the SPF you should get. And then lastly, always protect your eyes from the sun. Okay, most times when we're going out, I do it a lot because my eye the sun tends to affect my eyes. I cannot put my eyes in the sun. It's crazy, but yeah, that is me. I used to wear, they used to give me these glasses. When I used to use glasses, I used to use I still use glasses, but not like before. Those photochrome that is really dark. Yeah, so use shade to protect your eyes from the sun as well. When you even protect your eyes from the sun, it protects this area from also getting burnt and having that darkness all around it. Okay, I hope these tips are useful to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. It doesn't take anything, so that YouTube can push my videos. That's the way you guys can help me to just give this video a like and comment so that YouTube can push my videos to a wider audience. And also leave your comment below. Feel free to ask me questions, and I will reply your comments. Yeah, I will reply your comment. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my